This is our new product, pink jet flower crystal candles. It's really popular recently, like in Instagram, Facebook, and other. Yeah. So as you can see, it's really unique and beautiful, and it will be a popular treat in the next days, I think. Its price is not expensive. It is about 2.5 US dollars per one. Yeah, and cost is very light, so its shipping fee is not expensive. So it is a very good choice for new business seeders to start their first orders.
How many scents can I choose for this tin candle, Echo?
Also more than 14 scents you can choose. Flowers you can choose, as you can see, rose, and
Yes, we have rose here.
yeah, and some yellow from flowers. So you can design it by yourself. And the tin has actually four colors. Like this is black, this is golden, and also you can have silver and red rose one. Yeah, you can put your rabbit logo on the top and also on the roll.